Welcome back to Spy Garage.
The idea of a 2026 Tesla motorhome is intriguing since it could bring together opulent leisure travel and environmentally friendly electric vehicles. Even though Tesla hasn't made an official announcement about this kind of car, a thorough, if speculative, description can be drawn from their current technological capabilities and market goals. A custom electric platform, separate but possibly incorporating components from their current vehicle architectures, would surely be the cornerstone of a 2026 Tesla motorhome. A low center of gravity would be given priority on this platform in order to improve stability, which is essential for a vehicle of this size and intended purpose. The chassis-integrated battery pack would be large and aim for a competitive range that would allow for long trips with few stops for charging. In order to accomplish this goal, Tesla's battery technology innovations, such as energy density and thermal management, would be essential. The external design would probably follow Tesla's futuristic yet minimalist style. In addition to being aesthetically pleasing, smooth, aerodynamic surfaces would be essential for optimizing efficiency and range. A degree of off-grid capability could be provided by integrated solar panels on the roof, which would augment the battery charge. The overall form factor would strike a balance between space and aerodynamics, and large panoramic windows would provide residents with immersive views of their surroundings. A 2026 Tesla motorhome's interior would be the epitome of subtle luxury and technology integration. The cabin would probably be made entirely of high-quality, environmentally friendly materials. Modularity and adaptability would be given top priority in the design, providing a variety of sleeping, dining, and living arrangements. The vehicle's sustainable philosophy would be in line with a fully electric galley furnished with energy-efficient appliances and induction cooktops. One distinguishing feature would be technological integration. In addition to controlling driving features, a large central touchscreen interface, similar to those in current Tesla cars, would manage every element of the living space, such as lighting, entertainment, climate control, and connectivity. On lengthy trips, advanced driver assistance systems, ADAS, which may eventually lead to fully autonomous driving, would improve safety and lessen driver fatigue. The car would stay on the cutting edge of technology thanks to over-the-air software updates. Infrastructure for charging would be a crucial factor. For quick and easy recharging along major travel routes, access to Tesla's supercharger network would be crucial. The motorhome would probably also have the ability to charge at other charging stations and RV parks. Additionally, bidirectional charging technology could be used, which would enable the car to power other devices or, in certain situations, even feed energy back into the grid. In its conceptual form, the 2026 Tesla motorhome offers an intriguing outlook on the direction of leisure travel. It may redefine the motorhome experience for a new generation of eco-aware and tech-savvy travelers by embodying the values of sustainability, technological innovation, and minimalist luxury. It is still purely speculative, though, and will depend on Tesla's strategic priorities as well as future technological advancements.